Hello, bonjour, sat sri akal, adab, vanakkam, and kemcho. This is Dr. Smriti Tomar, Partners in Service Director for the year 2021 and 22. Paleen, please introduce yourself.
This is Dr. Paleen Rathod, Chairwoman PS for the year 21-22, and we welcome you to the second episode of Chai with Alumni Season 2.
Today, we have a very special guest with us. He is the one who took all the efforts to bring Rotrack to Hinduja in 2000 and served the club as president for 3 continuous years. After serving Rotrack for 8 years and bringing a lot of prestige to himself and college, he is now an advocate. He was the winner of Best Rilarian Award, and he has also won ACER for Best President Secretary Team for the year 2001 and 2. He is none other than Gorang Zaveri. It's a
Yes,
privilege to be inviting him to the show today. A very warm welcome to you, sir.
thank you.
So we'll start with the question answer. We'll start with the chat show now. Where did the idea of starting Rotrack in Hinduja evolve from?
Slight correction. Rotary Club of Hinduja was existing, but it was defunct. So in the year 2000, when we joined FIJC, it was about to start. It's for a while, and then certainly there were certain complications due to which the president had tendered his resignation. So thereafter, we just started to enjoy road track bunking classes for best in FIJC. So that was one of the most crucial reasons can a road track should continue. And by that time, we were in touch with the Rotarians. It's one of the biggest in Asia. So we were fortunate to have their constant support. And from there it came in by some friends were there who were enjoying road track. So we continued with it and we took up the responsibility.
So, sir, how would you sum up your 8 years journey in Rotract?
8 years journey, it cannot be summed up. It is relived every moment. When we started college, it was like a friend, one friend in remote area or few school friends. But the journey of road track gives one friend on each railway station from Churchgate till all suburban stations. So that is what the journey of road track is. It starts, but it never ends.
Yes.
Yes. So now we will have a small game, which is never have I ever. If you have done that thing, you will have to take a sip of drink, whatever you have with you, chai or coffee. And then if you haven't done that thing, you don't take a sip. Okay. So never have I ever cheated in any exam.
Never cheat.
Okay.
Never?
Never cheat.
Okay. Never have I thought of dropping out of my studies.
Never. I'm still studying.
Oh my God.
Once a student, always a student.
Maybe possibly
it's-
means my pre-entrance is approved in the MA for rural development. Let's see if the university accepts. I'll be joining college again soon.
all the best.
Oh, nice.
Okay, so third one, never have I never have I ever eaten without brushing my teeth. I haven't.
On conference days, on the road track annual conferences, that will be the day.
Okay, yeah. Never have I ever embarrassed myself.
Embarrassed, lot of times. Fighting with teachers to get permissions for road track, sitting on the classroom door. Can I give us permissions? We will be doing so and so. We will do these events.
Okay, so now you take a sip of your drink. So the last one, never have I ever thought of coming to a chat show as an alumni.
Thought of a chat show as an alumni.
Yeah, thought of
No, I had
coming to
not.
the chat. Never?
No, I had not thought. No, I had never thought. I had been to meetings, but never thought of coming to a chat show.
So you are like happy coming here to the chat show?
Pardon?
You're happy like to come here to the chat show?
Yeah, it was in fact the last chat show of Ammar and Duriya, what you paste, the link which you all shared. I was viewing it a couple of days earlier, and then I got this call from Smriti Madam that we want you to the chat show. And Saturday, so okay, we can join in, not a problem.
Great. So the next question for you is, what was that one thing that kept you dedicated to serving Rotrack for 8 years, which is quite a long time?
There are three things which comes into this. One is Rotrack is not as a moment of activity or event management or bunking classes. It crafts a person, a human being from out of. It makes you a distinct identity
Right.
from common public. There may be 100 students in a class, 700 students in a year, 3,500 students if you combine 5 years together. But when you add the tag of being part of Rotrack with it, you are itself in an elite club. Maybe for studies, maybe for activities, maybe for doing social service, maybe for only doing dhamal masti. But that distinction comes, it gives you an interface of interacting with stalwarts. Like we are fortunate to have Rotary Club of Bombay with us, which has some of the biggest industrialists as its members. These members refines your journey for life. Being a college student, having some pocket money, enjoying with friends, moving around is one part. But when you get these insights of what these industrialists would want, what a person, what an executive would want, what an MD of a would want, and you try to refine yourself in such a manner, and that is where our tagline of our club survives, that we keep to redefine the limits. So exactly that is how we continue to do so, and that has been, means I do not think so any past president would not be in touch with our Rotarian present. And in fact, the one of the president who was with us, Sandeep Agarwala sir, is now the DG of Rotary.
Great.
Great. So next we have one more game, this or that. So we'll be giving two options. You have to choose one. Playing chess or traveling?
No third option, no out of box answer.
No. Playing chess or traveling?
Chess. Or you can put it chess with traveling.
Okay. Event management or advocate?
Advocate.
Advocate from heart. Main avenue or support function?
Both needs to be balanced.
There's
You
no
cannot
option.
have one.
No. There's not an option.
Support functions.
Thank you. Okay. Chai or coffee?
I had heard this last time, and I would means obviously nowadays tea, but during our Rotrack days, we had one professor with us. Means in fact all professors, because we were good with activities. We used to mix tea, coffee, mangola, thumbs up, and Fanta or some other drink that time in one single glass and have it.
Oh
So
my.
how is the taste?
It is still on the tongue.
Oh,
If you ask the opposite, he will tell you, okay, yes, Gaurang and his group used to do this.
If we get a chance, we'll surely ask. Okay. Anti-ragging camping or plantation drive?
Pardon?
Anti-ragging camping or plantation drive?
Anti-ragging campaign at that time, yes. Now plantation drive.
Choosing both again. Okay, anyways. Okay, last one. DDLJ or Kabhi Khushi Kabhi Gum?
Which one?
DDLJ or Kabhi Khushi Kabhi Gum?
Kabhi Khushi Kabhi Gum, Amitabh Bachchan.
Okay.
so Pauline, he's an advocate, no? So he has given all the diplomatic answers.
In
Okay,
fact,
sir.
if you ask anybody from the earlier days of college, they will all tell you the same answers.
Is it so?
You ask any most of your professors now are my colleagues of that time. You ask any of them,
Oh,
Gaurang Jhaveri or his answers, they will all give the same answer.
we will call them next time. Okay, sir. So the next question for you is, how, if as an advocate now, do you think that the Rotaract experiences and lessons have helped you in your profession in some way or the other?
The four-way rotary test helps in dealing with clients, in taking up a matter. The four-way rotary test helps.
So, sir, could you tell a little more about it? The four-way rotary test, what is it?
We used to keep it in a combination, the rotary four-way test and the 5 guiding principles of our founder, Hinduja sir. So that board may still be principal's cabin, the Hinduja brother with his mother's image on his heart, and 5 guiding principles: act local, think global, show, and I'm not recollecting, but those were 5 principles. And the rotary four-way test, which at that point of time was compulsory Rotaract banner, the main banner of the club. So even in fact, the DG certainly at our installations has recorded it, that ours is one trust, one Rotaract club, which started all installations on time, which has the four-way tests on its vision. And what it used to say is it the truth? Is it fair to all concerned? Will it bring fellowship and goodwill? And one more point which I do not recollect.
That's great.
So putting
Yeah.
principle in practical in life always helps.
Yes, I think I have heard about it. I'm not sure, but I think I have heard about this. Next, we have one more game. It is rapid fire. You have to be very quick. Things that no one knows about you.
Pardon? I'm sorry.
3 things that no one knows about you.
I'm very cruel.
Cruel?
Cruel. Merciless.
Okay. 2 more things.
That is one. I speak very less. No, but all
So
these things
cruel
people
and
will know.
merciless.
There is nothing which is hidden. I am an open book. Everybody knows what I am. I am the same.
Okay. Your
The only one thing now, my wife would not be knowing that I'm appearing for a entrance test now. So that is one thing.
now she'll know. Now you are saying it, and we'll.
When she views this, no, by that time admission process will be done.
Okay. Okay. Your favorite pastime hobby.
During college days, Rotaract. Now, politics.
Politics. Describe what is Rotaract to you using a hashtag.
Using?
One hashtag.
We had made our the Hinduja College Rotaract Club was defined as HERB. Hinduja ka H, college ka E, Rotaract and club ka B. So that was a very popular tag even in our SMS times. Now to WhatsApp, but at those times an Orkut. So that was a very popular hashtag. Even now we sometimes use it.
Okay. So, if you lose the ability to see all the colors except one, which color would you like to retain?
Black and white.
Only one color.
So one color only.
So if I read black, the background will be white. Black. For that instance, black.
Black. Cool. That's my favorite color too.
Those are the only 2 colors left with us in our uniform now.
Okay.
That is why you like those colors only.
Are you an early bird or are you a night owl?
Night out.
Me too. One piece of advice you would give to your young self.
Discipline, punctuality.
Okay, so that means
Okay.
you weren't disciplined and punctual when you were young.
No, I means that is what I told. Discipline and punctuality helps. If you are disciplined, if you are following your ethics, and if you are punctual, you can break open any door which comes to you.
Yeah, indeed, yes.
Yeah. So as we move ahead, the next question for you is, what do you consider as one of the biggest achievement in Rotract?
Every year wise or consolidated?
Consolidate.
Still being in touch with our time Rotarians and Rotractors who are now leading key persons in their institutions now. That is a big takeaway. You name
Okay.
likes of
And
Pankaj Patharford, you name likes of Sandeep Agarwala sir, Hiren Kara, our college professors.
and if we ask you year by year, what would you say?
Year by year, each year has a separate set of experience. The first year when we joined in, our club ranked 66th. That is 2001.
Yes.
In 2001-2, from 66th, we were 7th.
Seventh.
7th. In
That's a
2000,
huge distance they have
yeah,
covered.
we performed 345 projects in the second year.
That's
Wow.
quite a large number.
Thereafter, in the third year, we slipped from 7th to 21st because we were all fund crunched. We were all focused with college. कि भाई कॉलेज में अपना आइडेंटिटी सेट रखना. If Rotract has to continue here, we will have to give more time to the college functions. So every college program which was being done, a bunch of Rotractors used to be volunteers there organizing backstage. That is where this support activities come. The main functions by professors. By that time, we had a good we developed a good rapport with all our principals also. In between, there was a time when we had lot of issues with some teachers. There were a lot of complaints that these people go on bunking classes, they don't attend lectures, out, they will spoil their career, they drive very rash on the streets, on turns and everything. So we took time, we took help of Rotary people to explain it to our professors, no, we will take care. We showed them that show Rotract cares. And that is how we rebuilt our image from the other terms and to this term. Then we started concept of honorary members with Rotract. Okay, all people who used to be first and second in their class in the standards were made part of Rotract. Thoda gussa, thoda pyar se. So that also gave in a different impact. Where your first, second वाले भी Rotract वाले, करने वाले भी वो है, organize में भी वही है, और security संभालने वाले भी वो है. तो they are all round development. It started. Then we had young teams also which took up new initiatives. When we started, when the club was revived, it was 7 members. From 7 we rise to 20. From 21 we rise to 63 members. And then at that time our club fees were 140 rupees, 160 rupees, and 20 rupees, 30 rupees for legal pin extra. So highest fees during my tenure were 210 or 280. All traveling expenses, member who goes has to bear. College never gave us initially. But then after things improved, Shivare sir, lot of our professors helped. I'm not naming them so that it does not create any issues. But all professors took in sincere efforts to promote Rotract. In fact, I used to be very scared with mathematics. And our mathematics professor took up extra 2 hours just before exams to train me at least pass through the exam. And that helped. Then comes General Secretary. Yes.
I must say the teachers in Hinduja are very, very supportive in every case, be it the studies, the committee, or anything.
That was not the case when we revived, but then over a period of time, we built up that goodwill with professors, teachers, in fact, even the management. Representatives of Hinduja Group, Hinduja Foundation have been getting installation, which happens only at annual day in the college.
Yes, right.
We have likes of Jumani sir, Bapat Saab, Shivraj Rao sir. They have all been guests at our installations some point or the other. And thereafter, then it became a trend that general secretary of the college, you should have served one term of Rotract as the president. It started in the year 2003-4, and it stayed to I think so around 9-10, 5-6 years that trend was in. If you are a president of Rotract, the next year you are the most eligible person, general secretary of the college.
Okay.
It's all like
So all
big
the big shots have
achievements.
yes, all the big shots have already been played in 2001 and between 2004 only.
Yes.
So there's the last question. Do you have any advice, suggestion for the team 21-22?
Balance studies, academics, and programs activities. It is not that only activities will help you. I can speak a lot, but activities of Rotract, may it be of any avenue, will make you explore you 10 times more than what a normal student would generally enjoy college.
Agreed. Completely agreed.
Now there's a small surprise for you. I hope you like it. Is it visible?
Screen sharing.
Yeah.
The bottom three are all Rotract.
Yes.
Okay, my advocacy. Nice sum up. Because I never used to come in lot of photographs. That was one thing which all our college people and photographers used to tell.
So this,
But we still managed to get all yours.
Yeah, these are good efforts.
thank you, sir. We'll send you this on WhatsApp or email.
Sure. Anything you would like us to put in forward? Any difficulties you all face?
No. If anything comes up, we'll surely let you know.
Anytime. You can just bug me and it will be sorted.
Okay, sir. It was great having you to the chat show.